is for motivational purposes only. Hi guys, I'm Joho. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about investing in Africa, making racks in Africa, and possibly moving to the African continent. Wakanda forever! It's the motherland. You gotta come out here and rake some cash in, produce some jobs. You feel me? I keep hearing this saying needs to stop.
We need to ask for a seat at the table.
Bitch! What table? What table? We need to ask. Oh, please, I am a beggar. I have come to beg for a fucking seat at the table. Oh, please give me a seat at your table.
No, bitch!
We don't ask around this side of the Atlantic. We take what is rightfully ours. Let me explain to you what that means. I'm gonna tell you a story of two lions that went hunting. Lion number one is the conscious lion, you know what I'm saying? He taps into his chakra, you know what I mean? Meditates, you know what I mean? Social justice lion. Lion number one is hungry, you know what I'm saying? And then lion number one has a brother, right? The brother, who is lion number two, you know, doesn't care. You know, he knows his purpose in life and he goes after it, you know, all the time. So, lion number one is always asking for permission. Hey zebra, I'm hungry. Like, I need to eat. Like, what can we work out a deal? Zebra is like, oh, thanks for asking, man. No, I don't want you to eat me. What the fuck? Get the fuck out of here, man. You know what I'm saying? Fucking and as the zebra says no, you know, he kicks the lion in the mouth. Right? Oh, I'm sorry, you kicked me. I'm sorry. Let me go back and ask some other zebra. Lion number two knows his purpose in life, you know what I'm saying? Goes out on a hunt, sees a wildebeest, sees a zebra, doesn't ask for anything, boom! Snatches him. That's what lion number two's purpose is, right? So obviously lion number one eventually dies of hunger, and lion number two goes on, procreates, and then, you know what I'm saying, dominates. You know why? Because lion number two's intentions were true. Your intentions gotta be true in this, but you gotta stop asking for people to give you things. You take what is rightfully yours, right? In the case of humans, right? I'm not saying go out there and harm other people, okay? If what are the things that you want infringe on other people's rights, you know, you might be a psychopath and you should probably be excluded from society and probably stop doing the things that you want to do, right? But what we can learn from that story is that in life, you need to stop asking and you need to start taking what is rightfully yours. The universe knows what you want. It knows what I want. You can be hypocritical all you want. You can lie all you want about the things that you want in the world, but the universe already knows what it is that you want and has already laid that out for you on a buffet. Ever since the day you were born, the universe gave you what you want on a buffet. Do you want love? It's there. Do you want riches? It's there. You want success, recognition, fame, all of that stuff is there on the buffet. Now, the universe has only put a couple of roadblocks. You know what I'm saying? Systemic racism, sexism, you know, like other strifes and, you know, hardships in your personal life. You know what I'm saying? You want to be a basketball player, but the universe made you only 5'5". You know, stuff like that. Other stuff that are outside of your control are on your path to your buffet. Now, the universe can only put things in front of you that it knows that you can overcome. Because the universe ain't give birth to no bitch, no pussy. The universe gave birth to strong-minded individuals. Cook the food for you, put it on a buffet, put a couple of challenges in it because it knows you can overcome them. Now it is your job to go out there and overcome those things in order to get to your buffet. Your buffet is yours alone. And if you keep putting one foot in front of the other towards your buffet, you're gonna get yours. It is time that we stop asking and that we start taking. Walk around with confidence. I like this apple. It's mine now. I take it. It's mine. This African land belonging to my ancestors. It's mine to take. It's mine to improve. It's mine to add value, create jobs, contribute to the GDP of the economy. If that makes sense. It's my job to dominate. To dominate. Whose job is it? Your job. My job. And is the Nigerian government infringing on the rights of its citizens? Oh, please, government, we want you to stop killing us. No! You go out there and you take your goddamn human rights. Whichever way you can. You protest, you do whatever you have to do, but you take it. Fortune only rewards the bold, the big cojones, you know what I'm saying? Big brass balls type of motherfuckers is who and what fortune favors. If you're not bold, if you're not taking risks towards the things that you want in life, okay? If you're not moving towards your buffet line that the universe has already given to you. The universe knows you more than I know you. The universe knows you more than you know yourself. You can lie to me. You can lie to your daddy, your mommy, your friends, your family, your co-workers, your colleagues. You can even lie to yourself, but you can never lie to the universe. So tap deep within and live your truth and take what is rightfully yours. Motivational purposes only. Don't make me pick up the phone, call the ancestors, and complain that you're being a bitch. Don't make me pick up the phone and tell them that. Whatever it is that you want in life, you get up today and you go outside and take it. If your inner ego that is trying to stop you from feeling hurt because you don't want to put yourself out there to get love, you don't want to put yourself out there to get financial success, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to get your heart broken because your ego will stop you from getting your heart broken. Your ego will stop you from facing failure because your ego is your biggest bitch. And you need to keep that bitch in check, bro. Sis, keep her in check. Keep it in check. Right? Keep your ego in check. Go towards your goals. Take what you gotta take to get to your destination. It's your life. You are the CEO, you're the general. Hire, fire, promote accordingly. I'm Jojo. I'm out. I'm gonna see y'all later. Peace.